Let's take a look at the recall message option within Microsoft Outlook. I'm going to switch to the sent items, and here are all my sent items. So I'm going to select the item that you see here. Now, when I select that item, you're going to see a button light up that says recall message. I'm going to recall the message, but what's going to happen is it's only going to work to people I send within my organization, within my company, my same domain, etc. So if you send this to somebody else's domain in some other place, say out on the internet, this does not work. It only works internally. So I'll click OK. And then you go back to your inbox, and after a little bit of time, you're going to see what's called a recall report. So I've already set up a recall report from another message that I had sent, so that way we won't have to wait. Although there's your latest one there that just popped in. And I'll click on View Message from the recall report. And it opens this up within your web browser. And you can see it was successfully recalled because Martha's in the same network, the same domain name as I am. Now, if it hasn't quite gotten there yet, you'll see it in pending. If it failed, you'll see it failed. You'll most likely only see it failed if you tried to send this to someone outside of your domain. And, of course, you cannot affect someone else's mailbox in another domain. So that is how you do a recall within Microsoft Outlook.